This is a really good question. So, as a top VIP nga ba, maa-access mo yung mga lumang recording? Quick answer is no. Because, again, as I mentioned sa isang video ko before this one, all of our classes are progressive. So, ibig sabihin, halimbawa, natapos yung isang batch, may 2 araw na live session. After that, 2 weeks internship. Sa internship kasi, for example, sa Amazon, bibigyan kayo ng access dun sa mga paid apps na ginagamit ng Amazon Virtual Assistant. So, kapag binigyan namin ng access sa old recordings, yung mga bagong pasok na VIPs, ma-off track yung conversation dun sa chatbox. Kumbaga, hindi rin magkakaroon ng in-depth na training. Kumbaga, hindi namin kayo mag-guide. Ang mga tao pa naman, meron tayong individual na learning style. So, kailangan ma-target yun ng mga mentors. Which is why, instead of giving you access to all video recordings, lahat pa-future. So, ma-access nyo lang is future live sessions. And, also, hindi rin naman pwede na magja-jump kayo ng halimbawa na sa enrollment part pa lang kayo, binavalidate pa lang yung payment, tapos gusto nyo dumiretso na kagad kayo sa live. No. Yun yung mga bagay na babaguhin namin yan kasi yun yung nag-cause talaga ng parang nalilito yung mga tao sa kung ano yung gagawin nila. So this time, we wanna take it one step at a time. Onboarding muna bago kayo maka-attend ng live classes. And huwag kayong mag-alala, hindi kayo mawawala ng pag-aaralan talaga dahil a lot of people kasi they think na kapag ka nag-enroll sila, automatic pa industry knowledge lang kaya na nila. No. There's so much more to learn. We're going to bridge the gap kung ano yung mga nagkukos ng confusion. We wanna make sure talaga na pag nag-start kayo is alam nyo na kung ano yung magandang atake when it comes to your freelancing career. Anyway, if you guys wanna join, click nyo lang itong link sa bio ko pagkatapos it will open this page. Ang Top VIP All Access Pass, kasama na doon yung internships. All you have to do is, check nyo yan, click nyo lang to 1999 Top VIP All Access Pass. Nandun na yung form, enroll na kayo. We're closing the May batch tomorrow at 12. Hope this helps. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!